Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials and taking the first actions now. Plug the device into power and connect Ethernet or configured Wi-Fi. This ensures stable time syncing and remote management. Once done, log in with the default admin account and change the password to protect attendance records. Now import or create a simple CSV with employee names and ID to speed registration. Make sure the machine clock matches your network time, because timestamps drive payroll and reports. You proceed to the critical middle steps: enroll users and tune recognition. From the admin panel, choose Enroll, Pick Face, and capture 3 angles per person for accuracy. This reduces false rejects. Then adjust camera exposure and liveness detection so the sensor works in your lighting. Too strict liveness causes misses, too loose invites spoofing. After that, define attendance rules, shift times, grace period, and overtime thresholds, because correct rule setup prevents payroll errors and simplifies reporting later. You wrap up by verifying everything works before full rollout. Enroll 3 test users and have them check in and out to confirm recognition rates and timestamp accuracy. Watch the log for mismatches. Export a sample attendance report to verify employee ID and applied shift rules, then correct settings if necessary. Finally, back up the configuration and schedule nightly sync with your server or cloud. Troubleshooting tip: if recognition fails, reduce exposure or re-enroll with different angles to resolve lighting or pose issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.